a box full of educational activities. Robert Smalls International Academy is giving every kindergarten student a bedtime in a box to take home.
The bedtime box is a resource for parents so that they can help their students get ready for the learning process. As we know, learning first begins at home, and we need our parents to ensure that kids are ready to learn when they walk into a school building.
The school held 3 informational sessions for parents and their children, going over what's inside of the box and explaining how to use the literacy and math tools at home.
The reading activities consist of activities that will support students in their learning of the high-frequency words. There are also 5 different books that will support parents in the literature piece and getting them used to the routines of reading.
Specifically speaking about math, there are some foam numbers and alphabets, but think about what happens at home. During bath time, you can literally work with your kids on numbers. Counting is the most important part. There are also some things for brushing your teeth, bedtime routines. Think about using a timer to help kids learn about elapsed time.
The boxes are designed to help parents develop nightly routines while preparing students for school. Each box contains several age-appropriate books, bath supplies, and several other educational materials.
Right now we're finding that many of our parents use technology to help support learning, which is a wonderful tool, but we really need to have our students engaged in speaking and language.
But if we give them a heads up or just a little help to get them started, their parents begin to realize that the everyday things that they do will support their learning.
Parents are looking forward to using the boxes at home with their children.
Our routines is always all over the place because it's more of her and her younger siblings. I have twins that's 3. So she's the child that they bounce off of. So this is going to really help. When they see her do it, they're going to want to do it. And this is helping with the homework assignment. She's supposed to be reading every night as well. So brushing teeth, taking baths on time. And she adapted to the calendar so well. So all this is going to help.
Bedtime in a Box was created in 2015 by an educator in Maryland who is also a father as a way to support the health and educational development of children prior to entering school. At Robert Smalls International Academy, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.